Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Blockchain Central. Love is in the air. In today's episode, we'll look into Luna, a blockchain-based dating platform. Yes, it is a thing. It's 2018, and the crypto and blockchain startup market seems saturated. As a result, we're seeing an increase in more exotic projects. Today, we will introduce you to one of these, Luna. It is a blockchain-based dating platform. I know, it sounds like the result of a recent blockchain for blank trend. But hold on, these guys are actually trying something refreshingly new. We'll look at the problem Luna's trying to solve, and then we'll see if blockchain is a valuable solution. Before we dive into the details, I need to warn you, we will examine this project from a technical standpoint. We do not recommend buying into young startups as they are highly risky. Okay, so the dating market is notorious for its competition and fake profiles, but it is also home to a diverse ecosystem of companies. Right now, there are no big players that dominate the market, but it is so attractive that even Facebook considers joining. With all of these options, what makes Luna unique? There are actually three aspects, and all have to do with blockchain. They're all outlined in the project's white paper by its founder, Andre Ornish. At first, Ornish attacks the way current dating apps make money. People go to these apps, they meet others, but the app itself needs to keep them on the app for as long as possible. That is because they typically earn from advertising and subscriptions, and both of these revenue streams disappear once a user has found their soulmate. One could go as far as saying that Tinder's worst nightmare is a good date. It could cost them 2 customers. Luna claims that they found a solution. The developers only get paid when users have a great time on a date. That way, Luna will consistently try to make better matches. The second benefit has to do with data. A common concept in dating is the Tinder-inspired swiping. According to Andre, this is based on a lot of risky assumptions, and he proposes to look at the data instead. Because the current apps rely on photos, they do not fully utilize the data to create great matches. How does this get resolved? As mentioned, to make more money, Luna will have to make better matches. To make better matches, it will use machine learning. They will connect users' data with results data. The latter will be collected via feedback polls after real-life dates with the aim to create an algorithm, a recipe for good dates. For security reasons, they analyze this data on their own server. As a result, this part of Luna is centralized, which can be a big no for some blockchain enthusiasts. The third new thing about Luna is the way they deal with spam. People sending out copy-paste messages to hundreds of matches are a known problem on a lot of dating sites. Luna uses its own token, the stars, to curb this behavior. And they do it in an interesting way. People can also receive a certain number of messages every day. To get prioritized, people can pay with stars. The idea is that it is an easy way to show how much someone cares. You can purchase stars on the app itself, but also on certain exchanges. They will lead to some interesting things. So, let's say Bob messages Alice and puts 100 stars on the message. He does this to show how much it matters to him. Luna will then receive a small fee, let's say 2 stars. The remaining 98 stars goes to Alice if she opens the message within a certain number of days and reads it. As a result, a class of super users will get paid to be on the platform, and they will help spread the word. As the episode comes to an end, let's sum it up. Today, we got to know about an exotic blockchain project. Luna is trying to bring the benefits of the blockchain to dating. There, they have the potential to cure some of the industry's worst problems. User numbers are still low and limited to the San Francisco Bay Area. The app barely has any features as of right now, so, as always, do your own research. Before you go, please note that this content does neither represent financial, legal, or tax advice, nor is it supposed to be understood or interpreted as solicitation to buy or sell any securities, coins, or tokens. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Blockchain Central to never miss a beat. Happy investing.